It is time to get organized as two busy moms.
Yes, I need it.
Oh my gosh. So today we're going to turn our attention to the things that keep our life in track. Important notes, addresses, appointments. I mean, how do we keep it simple and easy?
I'm horrible at it. Well, we do have an expert, though, that's here to help us out. Certified virtual organizing professional and founder of Be Organized, Nicole Gabai, is back. And we're so excited for you to be here because
Thank you. Thanks
I
for
am
having me
the
back.
queen of being disorganized. So,
well, I find that hard to believe, but there's always an extra tool or two. So I want to share with you today is my halfway book. And the reason why it's so important. I have been using this book for over 25 years, and it just works. Basically, what happens is, as we all know, everyone collects little papers.
Right.
You have little notes.
Yeah.
Even if you meet someone randomly and they say, oh, I have a great podiatrist I just met. Oh, can you write it down?
And it's on an app.
And
Open
it's
that
on a
thing
little
up.
piece of paper.
Show the world.
So
don't deprive us of
I know, right? The moment of reveal.
Yeah.
The beauty of this book is you can put all of your notes and little musings, anything that you collect along the way every day, because we all collect it. I call it little paper syndrome.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is a way to collect little papers, but the beauty of it is it has tabbed sections.
Yes.
That's what I love about it. So you personalize the tabs according to the information you collect in your life. So you look at all your papers and notes, what is it about? It could be your job, if you have children, each child, your spouse,
or you get a
house.
business card or something.
Yes. Well, that's a different topic.
Sorry.
That's slightly different. But everything that's relating to you at this time. So if you're traveling, if you are planning a house renovation, anything at all, you make your tabs, you customize it according to what you save.
Why is it called a halfway book?
Yeah. So the reason why, it's a great question. So the reason it's halfway is because that information you collect, it's halfway between just a random note that you may never use again, or permanent information. It deserves a file. It needs a notebook. It has more information. So you just never know sometimes. You just don't know. Okay, I wrote some notes. This could come in handy, but I'm not sure yet what I'm going to use it for. And the beauty of this is it's categorical retrieval.
Now, how many of those do you have? Do you do one a month, or do you do it until it's full?
No. So what I do is I date them. So mine lasts about 6 months, and I've worked with all different kinds of clients. I worked with a cinematographer, and he said, oh, I would use that up in a week. So you can customize it. You can make it a 3-ring binder, and you put in your tabs. You can make it. I've worked with a construction manager. He made a zippered notebook, and he had all of his tab sections in there for client names. So the beauty of it is we always store things for retrieval. That's the key. How am I going to find this piece of information? And when it's strewn all over your desk, you know you can't find it.
Pocketbook and I can't find it.
That's what I always say to people. Let me see what's in your purse. Let me see what's in your wallet. So this is a great way to customize it. Now, I love stickers, so you can make it any which way you want.
Make it yours.
Make it your own.
But
make it happen, because I keep these for about 6 months on a daily basis.
And that's it. And we've run out of time. But you know what? Do yourself a favor. More tips and tricks on the book, The Art of Organizing, an artful guide to an organized life. Get it wherever books are sold.